Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to keep track of your daily beverage intake by using the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Type in your password and go to the Mind section down below, which is the last option. Scroll down till you find this drink water icon and tap on it. As you can see, you can find the cup capacity and the target beverage as well. After that, tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen and add a cup if you have drunk that amount, and tap on the save button. Here you will be able to find a chart where you can keep track of your daily beverage intake, so you can see whether you have reached your target at the end of the day. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.